Hi there. I'm back again with a quick video because someone asked me to demonstrate, to show what I used to get these nails that I have right here. And as you can see, I have my little hand right there. But the polishes that I used were, I used this one, which is Born Pretty. I have no idea what the color of this is. Move that out of the way. It just says BP07 Star Moon Gel. I don't know. It doesn't really have a color on it. But that's the color that I use for the glitter part right here. This is the one that I used for the top part of the nail. As you can see, it does have glitter in it. It's by Sister. I don't know because I just recently got this one, but I'm not sure about this one. Whether they have this one anymore or not. Is if you can see it, NO or N something 14. Anyway, NO 14. That's what it is. Anyway, I've had this one for a long time. And the top coat that I used was from E-Nail Couture. It's the shiny top gel. And it's a very shiny top coat. Now, another top coat that I normally use would be this one, Poochie's Nails. That's another one that's a great top coat. And I also used a base coat for this. I just use it. I don't normally use it with acrylic nails, but I used it this time. Now, as you can see, what I did, and I'm going to try and do a small little demonstration of what I've done. What I did was I put this one on first, the Sister Gel. As you can see, I've done one coating of this. I'm just going to do another one, quick one. I'm out of frame. I'm trying to do it really quick. And I'm standing above my camera, so it's kind of hard. But I put that coat on, and these are all gel polishes. So I'm going to have to back them up because I need to use my lamp, and I do not want to dry my polish out in the bottle. And so I am using a little lamp that they sent me from E-Nail Couture to cure that. And I think this lamp, they sent me this for free when I placed the order with them. Okay, I'm just going to show you a quick glimpse of it. And now, next what I did was I came in with the glitter polish. And I did a coating of the glitter polish. As you can see, it's coming together. It's like an ombre. And then, let me back it up. I cured that. I didn't do full cures until, I didn't do a full cure until the end. I just did enough to set it. Okay. Now, I've already done 2 coats of the top one. So I'm going to do another coat of the gel. And you see how that comes together. And so then what I did not cure that coating. And I just brought in this, and I just went down from here, and I did, and see how the glitter moves up the nail some to give it that ombre look. So that's how I got the nail, the design that I got. And so I'm going to go ahead and cure this. And that's all I'm going to do. Well, I used alcohol to clean the sticky layer off. And then I used the top coat. And that was all I did for that set of nails that I've done right here. And so I just wanted to come back and show you how I got this design on my nails. And I hope that I covered what you were looking for. All right. Thank you, and bye-bye.